The numbers say inflation is cooling, but your wallet says something still feels broken. The problem is not just that prices went up. It is that your life adjusted around higher prices and never fully came back down. Why does everything still feel expensive, even when the numbers say inflation is slowing down? That question bothers people because it sounds like somebody's being dishonest. But the boring truth is more complicated. When people hear that inflation is down, they often think prices are going back down. Usually, that is not what it means. It usually means prices are still rising, just more slowly than before. So the grocery bill that jumped higher does not magically return to the old grocery bill. It becomes the new starting point. That is why the official number can improve while your wallet still feels worse. There is also the problem of personal inflation. The economy measures broad averages. Your life does not feel like an average. If your rent, insurance, groceries, car repair, electricity, or childcare went up, that matters more than a national chart. You do not buy the economy. You buy the things your household actually needs. Then there is the memory problem. People remember the old price, the old fast food total, the old grocery trip, the old insurance bill. Once a price crosses a line in your mind, it feels wrong every time you see it again. And some costs hit harder because they are unavoidable. You can skip a vacation, you can delay buying clothes, but you still need food, shelter, transportation, insurance, utilities, and basic services. So when those necessities rise, it does not feel like a statistic. It feels like life getting smaller. That is why people can be told the economy is improving and still feel angry, tired, or confused. They are not always reacting to one number. They are reacting to the gap between what life used to cost and what life now demands. The price shock happened fast. The adjustment is taking longer. And even when the charts improve, the household memory remains. That is the boring truth. Like this video if it made something click, and subscribe for more quiet facts with big consequences.